Welcome! In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some useful phrases that you can use on Bixby. Play The Umbrella Academy on Netflix.
During extreme weather conditions.
Download Disney Heroes. Start CBS Sports Radio.
This is CBS Sports Radio.
With hefty student loans, you could be paying for college.
Play music on Spotify. Play a food podcast on iHeartRadio.
Playing Introducing, the Pitchfork Review from Bon Appetit Foodcast.
Hi, I'm Pooja Patel, Editor-in-Chief of Pitchfork, and this is the Pitchfork Review. It's a podcast.
Find salad recipes with superfood.
I found some recipes that are healthy for you. Tomato salad with cottage cheese.
Ask Whisk to add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added milk to your shopping list. Would you like to add anything else?
No.
Okay.
In Whisk, what's my shopping list?
You have toast milk and avocados on your shopping list.
Order a cookie gift box.
Here are some gift boxes. The most popular one is Birthday Bow gift boxes, starting at $29.99. Want to choose this one?
Sure.
Who is the delivery for?
Navigate to the nearest gas station. Take me home. I'm done recording.
Got it. I've turned off Do Not Disturb.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.